Please read that question again, Siddharth.
What the fraction is of the ma'am
Of
the shape is green?
good. Okay, what fraction of the shape is green? Okay, first of all, Siddharth, tell me, the first shape is a square. Into how many parts it is divided?
4
Yes,
parts.
very good. Yes, children, first shape is divided into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Very good. Now, out of these 4 parts, Siddharth, how many are shaded? Sorry, how many parts are green in color?
1.
Only 1. So what we will do here, children, fraction, for writing the fraction, what we will do, we will write that 1.
1/4.
Yes, very good, Siddharth. Answer for first question is 1/4. It's already done. Because out of these 4 parts, only one is shaded in green. So that 1 we'll write at the top, then we'll draw a line, and total parts are 4. So we will write that below the line. So answer is 1/4. Total number of parts, we are always writing below the line. Okay. Dhirav, please unmute yourself. Yes, Tanvisri.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am.
Hold on.
Yes. Ma'am. I'm done, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Note down questions, Tanvisri.
Ma'am.
Tanvisri, please note down these questions in your notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, Dhirav, please read first question.
What fraction of the
Ashok, I'll get
shape
back to you.
is red?
Right, okay. What fraction of the shape is red? Dhirav, first of all, tell me how many parts are there?
2.
2. Out of these 2, how many are shaded?
1.
1. So what will be the fraction? 1/3, 1/2, 1/4, or 1/5?
1/2.
Very good. Yes, children. Answer for second bit will be 1/2. So you will put a tick here in 1/2. Very good, Dhirav. Dhirav, now, okay, who else is there in the class?
Advait Rao, ma'am.
Advait, please come. Yes, Ashwath, please unmute yourself. Ashwath?
Ma'am?
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Advait, hold on. Yes, Ashwath.
Page number?
Ashwath, you need to write this in your notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am?
Okay,
yes,
yes, yes, Advait, please read next question. What fraction?
What fraction of the
Shape.
is orange?
Very good. What fraction of the shape is orange? Now read all these 4 options.
1/2, 1/3, 1/4, 1/5.
1/2, 1/3, 1/4, 1/5. Okay, how many parts are orange in color?
1.
And total number of parts?
1/3.
1/3 is the correct answer, but total number of parts are
3.
this shape is divided into 3 parts, so total number of parts is 3. So answer is
1/3.
very good. Answer is 1/3, children. So you second option is correct. So you will put a tick on second option. Okay. Advait, who else is there in the class?
Rohit.
Wait, please send him. Yes, Ashita.
Right. Rub off it. Rub it off.
Yes.
I don't have another page. My book is completed. Can I write the where?
Ashita, for now, you can write in rough notebook, but later on, please write this in math notebook. Please get new math notebook and write there, okay? Now you can write in rough notebook.
You can rub.
Okay, Ashita? Yes, Advait Rao.
Ma'am?
Yes, Advait, please read next question. Next one. Blue.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Advait. Next question. Last one.
We
WHAT, what?
what
Fraction.
fraction of the shape is blue?
Okay. What fraction of the shape is blue? Now, tell me how many parts are blue in color, Advait?
1.
And this shape is divided into how many parts? Count the number of parts, Advait, and tell me
4.
Are you sure that this shape is divided into 4 parts?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So in the last one, the shape is divided into 4 parts, and out of these 4, only one is shaded blue. Now read all these 4 options and then tell me, Advait, what will be the answer.
1/4.
I asked you to read all the options.
1/2, 1/3, 1/4, 1/5.
Okay, so which is the correct option?
1/4.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Very good, Advait. Thank you. Yes, children, answer for last bit is 1/4 because out of 4 parts, only one is shaded in blue. So answer is 1/4. Please put a tick on option 1/4. That is option number 3. Last question. Okay, I'll give you only 1 minute to complete this. After that, I'll clear this. Because I already gave you sufficient time. Those who have already completed, they can turn the page. They can take out new page. Please write date and classwork. After writing date and classwork, you will leave one line. Then you will write revision 2. Those who have completed, please take out new page. Write date and classwork. And after writing date and classwork, you need to write revision 2. Okay, children, I gave more than sufficient time. I'm clearing this. Okay. Now, after writing date and classwork, children, today date is 16th of March. Okay. After writing date and classwork, you will leave one line and then in the next line, you will write revision 2. Okay. Yes, children, after writing date and classwork, you will leave one line and then you will write revision 2. After writing revision 2, you will note down these questions, and one more thing. You need to color the shapes according to the question only. In the first shape, half of the circle is colored blue. Then you also need to color it blue only. Okay. What we have to do here is we have to write the fraction for the shaded portion. Okay. After writing date and classwork, when you will leave a line, after that, please note down this question. Right, fraction for the shaded portion. After writing date and classwork and revision 2, please leave one line, then write right fraction for the shaded portion, and then start noting down these questions. Yes, Ashrita? Then you will leave one line and then you will write this right fraction for the shaded portion. And then you will note down these 8 circles. And you have to divide the circle according to the question only. First circle is divided into 2 parts, so you will also divide it into 2 parts only. Second circle is divided into 3 parts, so you will also divide it into 3 parts only. Okay? Yes, children, done? Okay, Tanvishree. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Okay, children, you have 2 minutes. After that, we'll start, okay? Yes, Siddharth?
Ma'am, I am also writing, ma'am.
Oh, no problem. 2 minutes.
I should color also.
Siddharth, you have only 2 minutes. Please do it, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
My drawing is over, ma'am. Just I'm drawing boxes.
Okay, fine. Okay, you can do it.
the difference is he was taking it.
Okay, children, we should start now. Yes, Ashita, please unmute yourself.
Completed, ma'am.
Okay, completed. Very good. Good to hear that. Okay, children, we'll start now. Ananya, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ananya. First one. First shape is divided. Okay, circle is there. It is divided into how many parts?
Four by 3.
First shape is a circle. First circle is divided into how many parts, Ananya?
2 parts.
2 parts. And out of these 2 parts, how many are shaded?
1 part.
1 part. So what will be the fraction of the shaded part?
1 by 2.
Yes, very good. Answer will be 1 by 2 because out of these 2 parts, only one is shaded. Okay, thank you. Good. Arhan? Arhan? Yes. Arhan, now tell me that second circle is divided into how many parts?
3.
3. Very good. Yes, children, answer. First answer is already done. Now we'll move on to second one. Yes. Okay, so second circle is divided into 3 parts. And out of these three, how many are shaded?
1.
Yes. So what will be the answer?
Answer 1.
Okay. And what is the fraction now?
Fraction 3.
You have to read this together. Now tell me, what is the fraction?
How you read this? HRE.
No, you have to see here, Arhan. First one is 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
First one is 1 by 2. Now tell me how you will read this one, second one.
1 by 3.
Very good. Yes, this fraction will be 1 by 3. Okay, this is correct now. Ashrita, unmute yourself, please. Ashrita. Ashrita. Ashrita, am I audible to you? Ashrita. You need to speak up. Suryansh. Suryansh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Suryansh. Now third circle. Tell me this third circle is divided into how many parts?
3,
Into how many parts it is divided?
4,
4. Yes. And out of these 4, how many are colored?
1.
Count how